To connect your AirPods Pro to TV, you'll need a Bluetooth transmitter or adapter, especially if your TV does not support Bluetooth. And since that AirPods Pro does not support volume control when connected to non-Apple products, you'd better use a transmitter that has volume control, like this one. Alright, now let's begin. First, you'll need to connect the AirPods Pro to the Bluetooth adapter. Simply flip the case lid open. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until the LED indicator starts flashing white. Next, connect the adapter to power and get it into pairing mode as well. Please refer to its user manual if you're not sure how. Keep them close to each other. Once connected, the LED indicator on the AirPods case will turn green. Finally, connect the adapter to your TV and make the necessary settings. Again, please refer to your user manual for more info. Now you're good to go. You may adjust the volume using the volume buttons when your TV remote control doesn't work. Still not sure? Visit our newly updated website Avantree.com for more troubleshooting and support. Thanks for watching.